Hello everybody, welcome to Healthy Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make poha. Poha is a dish that either can be had for breakfast or for a snack time. For this we need 2 cups of poha that I have run under the water, pre-soaked. Then we need 1 big onion which is coarsely chopped, 2 potatoes diced, 2 green chilies chopped, salt as per your taste. I'm using Himalayan pink salt here. Turmeric about half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of chili powder, but this is optional. I like it a little spicy. Jeera half a teaspoon. A handful of peanuts. We will be frying these. Coriander coarsely chopped. And lime wedges. This is for garnish right at the end of our recipe. To prepare the poha we need, I'm using a wok, a big kadai. To this I've added about 2 teaspoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of jeera and then add in the potatoes that are cubed. I'll mix it in and then I'll go ahead and cover and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once you see the steam has built up and open it, you can just press and see one of the potatoes. If they are nicely cooked through, you know that they are all ready. Now to this I'll go ahead and add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder and then mix it in. You can also add a little salt, it seasons the potatoes better at this time. Now I will go ahead and add the onion and mix it in. And I'll cover and cook this till the onion is almost translucent. But we don't need it any more than that because we like the bite of the onion when you're having the poha. So I'll leave it at this point. So it is soft, it is sweet, it has added great flavor to the poha, and then add the green chilies and then we'll add in the poha which is soaked or run under the water. I also salt my poha before adding it. That way it's already salted and it gives a great flavor when you're cooking, and you don't have to worry about adding the salt and it not getting spread all evenly in the poha. So salting it before adding is a great idea. As you can see, everything is now nicely mixed. I'm going to add about half a cup of water to keep the softness of the poha and then cover it on a very low flame, medium to low flame, and leave it for about 5 minutes. You will see steam build up and now it is ready. The texture will feel soft. The smell will be very nice, tasty. You will smell the poha. It looks yummy. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the garnish, serve it into a bowl. And for the garnish, I will be adding about 3 things. One would be the tomatoes, then the coriander, and then the peanuts. So we'll start with the tomatoes first, adding fresh cut tomatoes on top. It gives a very good flavor when just before serving the poha. And then we can add some coriander leaves. And lastly, I will top it with the crunchy peanuts. So the peanuts have been fried in oil before you started the preparation. I just used about 1 teaspoon of oil. In that I fried the peanuts and got them to this brown color. They are crunchy when you eat them. And when we top it, it just adds that extra crunch and taste and spice to this poha. So here it is all ready. And I hope you follow the recipe and you have a good time having this either as a breakfast item or a snack item. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy.